Yan. Okay, nag-umpisa na. Okay, so welcome to our virtual classroom, Mathematics 6. And to begin with, let us have a short prayer. Mahina ah. Amen. Mahina yung video natin. Okay? So, before we start, let's have a short review. Yung ating finding lowest term or reducing lowest term. Okay? So, pumunta kayo sa slido.com. I-type nyo yan, slido.com. Tapos, ang code natin, A407. Go! Mag-open kayo ng bagong tab. Tapos, punta kayo sa Chrome. I-type ninyo slido.com. Tapos, i-enter ninyo yung code natin, A407. Tapos, isulat yung pangalan ninyo. Okay, pasok na. Mia, nakapasok na. Danilo. So, how about the others? Mag-open ng bagong tab. Pagkatapos, i-type nyo slido.com. Pagkatapos, ihingi yan ng code. Isulat nyo A407. Tapos, you write your name. Josia, nakapasok na rin. Sophia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan, 6. Rohan. John Era, nakapasok na rin. Sinatron, nandyan na rin sa loob. Nandito na sa loob. Hareleia, nandito na. Andrangel Urucha, nakapasok. So, have 10. Sige pa, pasok pa mga suki. Ano yon? Ano yon? Sige, pasok mga suki. Ayan, we have 11 in the house. Pasok pa. Yan, 13. RB James, Hansel, ayan, pasok na sila. Karamanzana, L'Oreal, andito na rin sa loob. Okay, so head 14. Dapat yan ay 17 or 18. Sige, pasok pa. Mia, Josian, Jansel, Sidatron, Anelea, Rohan, Yumil, RB James, Angelica, Ilanan, Hansel, Jan Era, Makeshi Agabaw, Andregel Urucha, Yumil, Mia, Rohan, RD, Jan Kerr, Danilo. Yan. So we have 16. Okay? Siguro yung hindi makapasok, you can write your answer in your notebook. No? Kaya 17 na tayo. May humabol. Okay, last 1 minute. O, 18 na. So habol na lang yung iba. So you can write your answer. Yung mga hindi nakapasok, pakisulat na lang yung sagot ninyo sa ating notebook. Okay? So let's start ang ating Slido. Okay. Answer that in 15 seconds. What is the lowest term for 3/6? Okay. So, letter B, may sumagot, 47%. Letter A, 27%. Letter C, 27%. And the correct answer is letter C, that is 1/2. Okay. So, let's go. Oh. Yan, Danilo nakakuha 1. Yes. Ito yung mga nakakuha sa question number 1. Danilo, Janera, Yumil, Makeshi, Agabaw, and Mia. Yan ang mga top 5 lang. Get ready. Another slide. Go. What is the lowest term for 9/36? Okay. So, 40% answered 3/4, 20% answered 1/4, 1/36 answered 27%, and the correct answer is 1/4. Wow. So, 9 and 36 ang kanyang common factor is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1, 36 divided by 9 is 4. So, that's why we have 1/4. And tingnan natin sinong nakakuha. Okay, another slide. Get ready. Ayan, go. Reduce the lowest term, 12/24. Okay, so time is up. Wow, 67% answered 1/2, 1/3, 13%, 1/4, 13%, 1/5, 7%, and the correct answer is, yes, it is 1/2. 12 is the common denominator, so 12 divided by 12 is 1, 24 divided by 12 is 2, that's why we have 1/2. And let's have another one. Okay, get ready, and go. Lowest term for 8/64. And time is up. Okay, let us have all the analysis. Okay, so we have 28%, 16, 18, 50%. And the correct answer is, of course, 1/8. No, 8 ang kanyang common denominator. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 64 divided by 8 is 8. So that's why you have 1/8. Alright. Yung iba hindi nakakuha Okay, so that is your review. So let's have checking of assignment. Yung assignment natin, ito, ang mga nagpasa, babasahin ko, Andrea. So number 1 is 736. Number 2 is 1/4. Number 3 is 5/9. Ang 7 lang ang nagpasa ng assignment doon sa ating GC. Ito, Andrea, 1 point. Danilo, 2 points. Yumil, 1. Hanalea, 3 points. Perfect score. Zam, Andres, Kenry, perfect score, 3. Casillas, 2. And Sumalde, Sidatron, 2. Ayan yung ating mga nagpasa lang ha. Magpapasa kayo para nakikita natin yung mga participation niyo sa ating lesson. Okay. So, paano nga ba nangyari? Itong 7, 8 times 2, 9. Ito pwede natin i-cancel by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, yung first fraction natin naging, ayan, 7/4. Tapos, yung second fraction is 1/9. So, that's why 7 times 1 is 7, then 4 times 9 is 36. Ganun din ito. May cancellation ditong nangyari. Saan yun? Dito. 2/3 at saka 1/2. Yung 2 and 2, ang kanyang common denominator, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so that's why yung first fraction mo is naging 1/3 at saka 1/1. So 1 times 3, 1 times 1 times 1 is 3, then 3 times 1 times 4 is 12, that is 3/12 or 1/4. Ayan, yung number 3 naman is 1/3. Kinancel natin yung 5 at saka 25. Yung 25 divided by 5 is 5, ayun. Then 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then yung 3 at saka 27, pwede i-cancel. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Then 3 divided by 3 is 1. That's why you have 1 times 5 is 5. Then 1 times 9 is 9. So you have 5/9. So ang naka-perfect din is Hanalea and San Andres. Perfect score. Okay, very good. Sa inyong dalawa. Next time, magpapasa lahat. Yung iba hindi nagpasa. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so we have another topic today. Our lesson for today will be multiplying fraction by a whole number. So I have here a tutorial video. No, I want you to watch this keenly. Then take note of the important details. Okay, and let's watch this video. Medyo malabo yung sounds natin pa makapagka. So 3 times 2/15, yung 3, it is understood to have a denominator 1. Automatic na yun, no? Then multiply 3 times 2, then 1 times 15. So that is 6/15. Medyo mahina yung sounds natin ngayon, yung video natin. Ayan. 3 times 2 is 6, then 1 times 15 is 15. This whole number here na 3, automatic, meron na siyang denominator na 1. Understood to have a denominator 1. O ito, ginawa niyang shortcut. Hindi. Dinivide niya both numerator and denominator by 3. That is 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that's why we have 2/5. Napakadali lang naman. Okay, so ang gagawin niya naman, shortcut method by cancellation. Okay, ika-cancel niya yung 3 and 15. Meron yung common denominator which is 3. Ano kaya nangyari dito sa sounds natin? Medyo mahina. Di ba, na-explain ko na lang dyan. Ayan, ang common denominator ng 3 at 15 ay 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Ayun. Then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So ang natira na lang 1/1 times 2/5. So ilagay natin dito sa baba. 1 times 2 yung numerator, yung denominator niya is 1 times 5 equals 1 times 2 is 2, then 1 times 5 is 5. So you have the same answer through cancellation. Ito naman yung long method. Okay, so I hope you understand the video, tutorial video. Saan na tayo? Ay, nako. Okay. Naintindihan ba, class? Naintindihan? Nagets nyo? Yes, okay. Nagta-thumbs up si Joshan, okay? So let's move on. Ihanda nyo yung papel at saka exercise. So let's try for 5th. No. 4 times 5/12 equals. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you doing? 4 times 5/12 equals 5. So what are you do it has understood to have a denominator 1. Sulatan mo na yan. Lagyan mo ng denominator 1. Then, you can do the cancellation or you can have long method. You just simply multiply the numerator, then multiply the denominator, then reduce to lowest term. Pag cancellation naman, itong 4 at saka 12, pwede mong i-cancel yan by common denominator 4. Then 4 divided by 4 is 1. Sulat mo ito sa taas ang 1. Then 12 divided by 4 is 3. Lagay mo naman dito sa baba para hindi mo makalimutan. Then, pwede mo na siyang i-multiply. Yung mga nakasagot na pwedeng lagay nyo number 1 sa ating. Number 1 ha. Number 1 lang muna. Okay, huwag nyo, isipin ninyo pagka... Alright, may sumagot na ba sa chat box? Ay, wala pa. Number 1 lang muna, number 1. Ang sasagutan natin. Tapos mamaya, number 2. Okay? Wala pang sumagot? Meron. Tingnan natin. Ang sagot ni... Oh, dami na sumagot. 1 and 2/3, 1 and 2/3, 5/3. Oh, ito, yung sinasabi ko. Pwede yan. Kaya lang i-reduce mo to, yung meal sa banal, 5/3. 1 and 2/3, 1 and 2/3, 1 and 2/3. Alright. So the correct answer, number 1 is 1 and 2/3. Very good, very good. So, Hana RB Sanchez, nakuha. You proceed to number 2 na. Aquino, nakuha niya. Danilo, Sabanal, Angelica, yan mga nakakuha sa number 1. 5/3, Andrea, okay yan. Kaya lang din na-reduce sa lowest term. Okay naman yan. Correct naman. Kaya lang i-reduce natin. 5/3 din si Aquino. Ay, na-reduce din na kanina. Hanalea, 1 and 2/3. Yan. Correct answer. Jeremy, 1/4. Danilo de Leon, 1 and 2/3. Okay, you proceed with number 2. Then you write your answer on the chat box. So 3/5 times 30. Alright, tingnan natin kung may sumagot sa ating chat box. Number 2. You write number 2. Para makita ko. Sir, ano yung problema mo Kudaka Hanalea? Hindi. So, merong sumagot ito. Hanalea is 18. Tingnan natin yung iba. Danilo, 18. Ayun. Sofia, Alison, 18. Karamanzana, 18. L'Oreal, o may pumapasok pa. Admit natin. 18. Okay. So, yan. Rodrigo, 18. Very good. So, the correct answer is 18. So, almost all of you got the correct answer. Very good. Then you proceed with number 3. Okay, so you have there 1/2 times 72. Okay. Lagay nyo number 3. O mayroon, ang bilis ni sumagot. Josian, 36. Danilo, 36. Meron pang ibang sagot dyan. 7/4. Jerain, Merilio, 36. Danilo. Hadlock 36. Alright. Rivera 36. Gail Urucha 36. Okay, so pinakamabilis si Hana Leia. The correct answer is, very good. Almost all of you got the correct answer. That is 36. Yeah. Okay. So let's have another exercise. Okay. So this is the solution yung kanina. So you have 4 times 5 over 12. Yung 12 dito, pwede natin i-cancel by the common denominator 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So what is left is, yung first fraction natin is 1 over 1 times 5 thirds. Yan. So you can now multiply. 5 times 5 is, 1 times 5 is 5, then 1 times 3 is 3. That is 5 thirds. Reduce to lowest term by dividing. So you have 2 and 1 half. Wow. So you have 2 and 1 thirds pala. Okay. Medyo meron ditong ano. Okay. So ganun din yung number 2. So you have 3/5 times 30. Yung 5 at saka 30, pwede natin i-cancel by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6. 5 is 6. Then what is left is 3 over 1, yung ating first fraction. Then times 3 ay 6 over 1. So 6 times 3 is 18. 1 times 1 is 1. 18 over 1 or 18. Sa number 3 naman, 1 half times 72. Yung 2 and 72 can be cancelled by the common denominator 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 72 divided by 2 is 36. So that's why you have 1 over 1, yung first fraction mo. Then yung second fraction is 36 over 1. 36 times 1 is 36. And 1 times 1 is 1. 36 over 1 or 36. Ayan. Maraming nakakuha. Okay, so I have here your exercise on your pad paper. 1 to 5. And go. I'm giving you 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Okay. 3 minutes to solve. Okay, go. So we have 23 na pala on the house, 23 ang nakapasok. Okay, take time to solve. You have still a lot of time. Go, 2 minutes pa. Yung tapos na paki-thumbs up na, mag-thumbs up yung tapos na. No, hotdog. Finish. No. Okay. 1 minute more. Okay, may nag-thumbs up ba dyan pagtapos na? May I see your thumbs up? Okay, so time's up. Finish or not finish. Let us check your work. So number 1, will you give the answer sa chat box natin? Number 1. Ano sagot? Yan, 35 over 7 times 5. Oh. Hindi pala to. 35 times 5 over 7. Wait lang. Usog natin. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So 35 times 5 over 7, number 1. Okay, check na lang. Okay, check na lang ulit yung number 1. 35 times 5 over 7. Ano ba ito? Ba't hindi nagka-align? Dito naman, 80 times 7 over 10. Hindi naka-align na. So that is 10. Kabila naman, 6 over 11. Ano ba naman to? Okay. So sa number 4 is 3/4 times 80. Yan. Okay, yan. So, may sumagot na ba number 1? Tingnan nga natin ang sumagot sa number 1. 1, 25, 25, 25, 25. Okay. Very good. Tingnan natin kung yung tamang sagot.
Din!
Okay, how about number 2?
Kailan ba to?
Yung number 2 natin is, you can write your answer in our chat box na, number 2. So you have 56, Josian, Jude 56, Danilo 56, yan, Libera 56. Alright, the correct answer is 56. Wow, almost all of you got the correct answer. You deserve a virtual clap. Yes, very good. Okay, how about number 3? You write your answer on our chat box, number 3. Number 3 is what is your answer? Meron na nagsulat. So, oops, 42. Danilo 42. John Boras 42. Josian 42. Mia 42. Jeraine Merilio 77. Let us check your word. Number 3. The correct answer is we have 42. Ayan, very good. So, ayan, 42. Josian, yan, dami nakakuha. Very good. Okay, let's proceed. Number 4. What is the answer? Number 4. So, number 4 is 3/4 times multiplied by 80. Okay? You write number 4 on our chat box and you gave the answer. Number 4 is 60. Danilo 60, Nia 60, Jan Kerboras 60, Josian 60, Hanalea 6, Karamanzana 6, Rodrigo 60, Yumil 60, Liaguno 60. How about the others? Tingnan natin yung iba pa. Jude 60. Maraming nagpa-pop up dito eh. Hindi ko makita itong iba. Margox Hadlock 60. Alright, let us check your answer. The correct answer is, number 4 is 60. Alright. Very good. Nakakuha ng 60. Dami. Very good, guys. Alright, so may we have the last number 5. You can now write your answer on our chat box. So that is Josian 12 and 1/2, 12 and 1/2, Rodrigo Muyo, RD 12 and 1/2, Hanalea 12 and 1/2, Yumil Sabanal 12 and 1/2, Josian 12 and 1/2. Okay, how about the others? Jude 12 and 1/2, Boras, John Kier Boras, 12 and 1/2. Sophia, 12 and 1/2. Okay? So let us reveal the answer. We have here. So that is, number 5 is 12 and 1/2. Very good. Maraming nakakuha ah. Ayan. Maraming naka-perfect score. Pakitaas nga yung ating kamay, yung mga perfect score, 1 to 5. Sino naka 5? Overall 5 score. Okay, so we have Hadlock 5. Very good, Hadlock. Okay, so this is it, no? So this is the solution, 35 times 5 over 7. Yung 35 is, we can cancel that by 5. Yung 7 become 1. So, you have 5 times 5 is 25. 1 times 1 is 1. So, you have 25 over 1 or 25. Yes. Number 2, 80 by 10. So, you may cancel 0. Shortcut, cancel mo na lang yung 0. Cancel mo rin yung 0 sa denominator mong 10. So, what is left is 8 and 1. So, that's why we have 8 over 1 times 7 over 1. So, 56 over 1 or 56. Yung number 3 naman, 77 times 6 over 11. So, you have there, is by 11. So, 77 divided by 11 is 7. 11 divided by 11 is 1. So, you have there 7. Your first fraction will be 7 over 1 times 6 over 1. 42 over 1 or 42. Very good. So, you have there, number 4, 3/4 times 80. 80 and 4 can be divided by 4. That is 1. 80 divided by 4 is 20. So, yung first fraction mo will become 3/1 times 20 over 1. So, 3 times 20 is 60 over 1 or 60. Yung number 5 naman is 5 over 8 times 20. Yung 8 and 20 can be cancelled by 4. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So, your first fraction mo will become 5 halves. times 5, which is an automatic denominator of 1. So you have there 5 over 1. So 5 times 5 is 25. Then 2 times 1 is 2. So 12, 25 over 2 is an improper fraction. So you have to divide it. No? 25 divided by 2. So you will come up with 12 and 1 half. So marami rin nakakuha dyan. Very good sa inyo lahat. Okay. So let's move on to another exercise over here. Okay, so we have a problem solving. Would like to read the problem? Yes, Josian, will you read the problem? Go. Alright, thank you. Josian? Okay, so there were 48 children who participated in a share a bag project. If 38 of them were girls, how many were boys? Okay, you can apply our multiplying fraction by a whole number. Okay? So what are given in the problem? What are given in the problem? Ano, Leia? Hadlock, nagtataas ka ng kamay. Hadlock? What are given? Yes, Josian. Okay. So you have there, the given is 48 children and 8. No? So the question is how many were the boys, no? Okay, so you can solve now. Then you write your answer on our chat box. So that is 48. Okay, i-write your answer on our chat box kung tapos na kayo. Alright, tingnan natin. Meron na ba nakasolve? Alright, so there were, wow, halos lahat ah. Very good. So there were how many boys? If there are 48 girls of this. You have how many boys there are? Very good. Your answer is almost correct. All of you, huh? So there are 18 boys. Very good. Okay, let's have another exercise over here. Alright, so okay. So you can have your assignment na on, you can screenshot your assignment para hindi na tayo magsulat. Screenshot nyo na lang. Yung mga iba, magpasa ng assignment dito mo dito. 7 lang nagpasa yesterday. Ito, meron kayong time. Anyway, it's weekend naman. Pwede kayong mag-solve ng mag-solve. Pwede nyo i-consult yung inyong classmate kapag nahihirapan kayo. Mag-usap-usap kayo. Meron naman tayong group chat, di ba? Yan. Okay, na-screenshot na ba? Okay. So pag na-screenshot na, nalista na, okay na, may I see your thumbs up kung tapos na. Okay, very good. Delay yun, tapos na. Kasanas, okay na. Okay, so very good sa ating lesson. Ang daming nakakuha. So yeah, you deserve a virtual clap. Okay. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you. See you on our next online class. And happy weekend. Thank you. Sige, okay na. You can now proceed to your next room, next subject. Thank you very much, guys.